This is a video from August 2023. We are going to see a mobile home for 5 people. Behind the car you can see the mobile homes on the outside and one of the yellow containers that are distributed around the camping. This mobile home for 5 has a porch with tables and chairs, and you can see space to park 2 cars. At the entrance, you can see a dining room with a sofa that converts into a double bed, and in front the kitchen there were the necessary utensils such as silverware, pots, garbage bags, dishwasher, coffee maker, and microwave. We enter into the main room where you can see a furniture with shelves, and on the bed you can see the clothes and towels. In the other side, there is the second room with 2 single beds, both rooms with a window. In the bathroom, there is a shower with a good pressure of water, but there was no soap or shampoo. There is a hair dryer and a good size mirror. For summer, you can find a standing fan, and for winter, a radiator, a heater. And the toilet is separate, a separate room, which make it very convenient when there are several in the cabin.